Welcome. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to view users who have been removed, the latest Telegram web update makes this process straightforward. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to see the list of removed users using Telegram web on your PC. First, open your browser and go to Telegram web. Make sure you're using the WebK version, as this feature is currently only available there. Log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have access to view and manage removed users, so double-check your role in the group before proceeding. At the top of the chat window, click on the group's name. This will open the group's information panel, where you can see details like the group's description, member count, and more. Next, look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a pencil or similar symbol. Click on this icon to enter the group's settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see several options. Find and select the permissions section. This area controls what members can and cannot do within the group. Now, within permissions, scroll down until you find the option labeled Removed Users. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all users who have been removed from the group by an admin. These users are automatically banned from rejoining unless you remove them from this list. If you want to allow a previously removed user to rejoin, simply select their name from the list and remove them from the Banned or Removed Users section. Once you do this, they'll be able to rejoin the group if they wish. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily manage and review removed users in your Telegram group using the latest Telegram web update. This feature helps admins keep track of group membership and manage bans more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Telegram groups.